guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to showing to you how to build up a to-do list apps. In this app you will learn how to build up this using JavaScript, and this is the simple and very useful app for extremely beginners. So at first I will I'm going to discuss how to create this app. Just you will show that here, and you will show that another input text, and here will be another button. Here is the another input field like that placeholder. Okay, so then another heading tag. So you will show that in this list where you will getting it, the result output. You will show that output. Just simply type here another like that Sudrana. Okay, see enter, click this enter, then you will show it. Then it will be listed in this here list of tasks to do. Okay, so this is a simple JavaScript web application f to do web f. Okay, so I will simply type here subscribe now, then click this enter, and you will show that it will be added in this here. Okay, so it's not going to have any local storage, and just so basically how it works is if and I see that tags. Okay, will you see this tags, and if I hit this just enter, then it will be added automatically listed of the to the inside of the list. Okay, so let me just do a few more study tasks to the there. Just let me just add or more like that here. Web code came, then click this here, the enter, just click this enter, add, then it will be listed. Okay, so in this tutorial just I'm gonna discuss about how you will build up this just you will give up some of like that container section, then input placeholder, then button, then list of li oil li, then another button like the delete button. Just simply click this here, and you will show this pop-up, and it will be work it in JavaScript. Okay, so just click this in another button like that, another input list like that, click this. Okay, then you will, when you will click this clear tags, then it will be automatically all of deleted. Okay, so this is simple project and useful for extremely beginners. So thanks for watching. First you will give this container, then add item, then obviously you will created another form in the input button like that placeholder. Okay, so then you will give this another add button. Okay, so basically this is the placeholder and input type button here. Okay, so this is finished now. Then we will create another heading tag, and obviously we will make give this a horizontal line inside of the container, then it will be HR tag like that horizontal. Then we will give this all class and to do list f in this here. So this is the simple design. For that I will skip this design, and just I will come back in my style.css, and you will show that some of few of element inside of the root, and you will obviously you have to go to Google, then copy this Google font as you want. Okay, so in this like that element of the body and HTML and body tag. Okay, so this is the basically simply design, and in the last tutorial and in my previous tutorial you will check this in my YouTube channel, then you will show that like the every like that okay guys, you will show that in the previous video, and from import, then import to body tag. I'll skip this because this is the simply basically this is the same design in the many web template or web design website. Okay, so you will give this just a section and a container like that, max width and height as you want. It's on up to you. Okay, so add item, and you will add this form, and just display flex, and justify content center, align item center. Okay, So this is the basically design, and you will obviously in this code I'll give this in my description below, and you will obviously will check it. Okay, so let's start the JavaScript code.